No, don't do that. All right. So Colton, number 4. Hey. Okay, number 4. So if I add my 5, I get a 29 like you had. If I add the 8x, you'll get a 4x like you had. All right, so here I go. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. I think we're going to get all the same numbers. Now on the bottom here, I think you said you got an 8. Maybe you got an 8. So this will be 2a. So it's actually just going to be a 2 in the bottom. That may have been one of the issues. All right, so negative 4 plus or minus. All of this stuff comes out to be 100, negative 100. Okay, over 2. And then the square root of 100, of negative 100. That's going to be 10i. So I think what you did was you still had your square root around it. I could be wrong, but so negative 4 plus or minus, and that's going to be 10i for the square root of negative 100. All right, so the way that you can write it in a plus bi form is you'll simplify this fraction by 2, because 2 is your denominator. So you're going to get negative 2 plus or minus 5i. So your a is going to be the negative 2, and then your b is going to be the 5. All right. For these other two, if you read on Canvas, it's actually like I put on there that you're answering an a plus bi form, and you are. But on Canvas, the way that what you're going to end up with are decimals for your a and your b. All right. So whatever you work it out. So like if you get to a step like this, when you divide by 2, you're not going to be left with a nice whole number like 2 and 5. You're going to be left with nasty decimals. All right, so just warning on 5 and 6, that's what's going to happen.